DevOps is a cultural and professional movement that stresses communication, collaboration, and integration between software developers and IT operations professionals while automating the process of software delivery and infrastructure changes. On its own, DevOps is not a framework, standard, or methodology. It is a set of guiding values and principles that crosses multiple domains, tools, and practices, including development, operations, security, and reliability. A separate DevOps team should never be established. Rather, DevOps should be applied across an entire value stream, leveraging a systems thinking approach. DevOps principles can be summarized in the mnemonic CALMS. C stands for culture, which relates to the people and processes aspects of DevOps and the need to improve communication and collaboration. Without the right culture, automation attempts will be fruitless. A stands for automation, which refers to tools such as release management, configuration management, and monitoring and control tools that enable automation and are important aspects of DevOps. L stands for lean, which means maximizing customer value while minimizing waste and improving flow. M stands for measurement. DevOps operatives believe that if you can't measure, you can't improve. A successful DevOps implementation will measure everything, including people, process, and technology performance. S stands for sharing, which represents the feedback loop in the CALMS cycle. DevOps aims to create a culture where people share ideas and problems to enable improved communication and collaboration and help organizations to improve. A key component of DevOps is the 3 ways. The first way, flow, encourages organizations to understand and increase the flow of work. The second way, feedback, aims to create short feedback loops that enable continuous improvement. Finally, the third way, continuous experimentation and learning, tries to create a culture that fosters experimentation, taking risks and learning from failure. Key to the third way is an understanding that repetition and practice is the prerequisite to mastery. Agile Service Management applies the principles of the 3 ways in various actions. It applies the first way by applying an incremental approach to process engineering that can remove constraints and increase flow across multiple processes. It applies the second way by shortening feedback loops on process performance and improvement. It applies the third way by encouraging a collaborative experimental and learning environment between various IT teams and frameworks. One of the main crossroads where Agile Service Management and DevOps can meet and align is through continuous delivery. This is a methodology that focuses on making sure software is always in a releasable state throughout its lifecycle and is linked to continuous deployment, which automatically releases the software into production. Continuous delivery relies heavily on automation to perform many of the activities associated with release management, including building, testing, staging, securing, and releasing software. However, intelligent automation needs intelligent processes. Agile Service Management can underpin continuous delivery and continuous deployment by defining lightweight, interoperable microprocesses where continuous delivery automation can reduce IT service management toil. Best yet, since both are engineered in increments, process, automation, metrics, and artifacts can be defined and implemented simultaneously.